Nano Banana 2, just launched by Google with several major upgrades. But the real question is, how much better is it? I tested some features that other AI image generators usually struggle with. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what Nano Banana 2 can do. Let's start with the most basic question. Are the images actually better? I gave this prompt to try generating a cinematic photo of a futuristic city with some details. And here is what we get back. The lighting, the reflections on the glass, the atmosphere. Nano Banana 2 delivers richer textures and sharper details overall, a clear step up from the original. Now let's try a different style. I wrote this prompt to push it into a completely different direction. And here is the generated image. Same model, completely different style, and it handles both of them. Photorealistic or illustrated, Nano Banana 2 can adapt. But image quality is just the starting point. Let's talk about resolution and aspect ratio. Nano Banana 2 can generate images with high quality details from 500 pixels all the way up to 4K. And you get full aspect ratio control. The original generation was horizontal, but I changed its aspect ratio and got it back this time in a vertical format. Now let's continue with one of the most requested upgrades. Character consistency. One of the biggest complaints about AI image generators. You can create a character and in the next image they look like a completely different person. Let's see if Nano Banana 2 fixes that. I typed this prompt, a young female astronaut with some details. And it generated this person in the first image. So that will be our character. Then I typed a second prompt to move our character into a completely different environment. And let's see what happened. Same hair, same suit, same character. Different environment, that consistency is the upgrade. And it can maintain up to 5 different characters and 14 objects in a single scene. That's a big deal for anyone who like to do visual storytelling. Speaking of storytelling, let's see how it handles full comic and storyboard sequences. This time I typed a prompt for a comic book. And this is what we get in the first generation. Panel 1, mood is set. Now for the next panel, I continued the story with this prompt. And this is the second generated image. The style and the character holds, as you can see. You can build out a full storyboard for a video or animation without touching any design software. The next one is for more knowledge-accurate images. Nano Banana 2 is connected to Gemini's knowledge base and pulls information from real-time web search. That means you can create historically or factually accurate images. So here is an image I generated of the Roman Empire era. The architecture, the clothing, the atmosphere, it's drawing on actual knowledge to get the details right. This type of generations can be great for educators, documentary creators, or anyone who needs a quick historical visual without sourcing stock photos. You can also generate data-driven and scientific visuals. Nano Banana 2 can generate structured data visuals, infographics, diagrams, and actually label them correctly. So we tested it with this prompt and it generated an infographic. If you look carefully, all the planets are in the right order, the labels are readable, and the layout is clean. That requires both visual design and factual knowledge working together. In the second example, I tried a little bit more complex one, the water cycle. And it generated again a great infographic. All of them are correctly labeled and in the right flow. These kind of generations are really useful for educational content, explainer videos or presentations. The next one is text rendering and translation. If you have used AI image generations before, you probably know that text inside the images can be sometimes gibberish, especially when there's so much detail like in this watch example. So if you look carefully, all the text and the numbers are generated in the correct order by Nano Banana 2. Also for this example, all the text is legible, properly placed, and looks like it belongs directly to this design. That's something new. And you can also translate the text in other languages and it renders them correctly. This is huge for anyone creating content for a global audience. The output quality in Nano Banana 2 is directly tied to how you write your prompts. Clean, minimal, usable right away. And here is another example we tried. A luxury watch product photo with some other details such as dramatic studio lighting, macro photography, black background and ultra realistic. And this is what we get in return. So Nano Banana 2 isn't just generating images anymore, it is becoming a real tool for storytelling, education and professional visual design. The previous model was fast and fun, but this model gives you actual control. If you want to try Nano Banana 2 yourself, the link is in description. It's free to start. And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.